Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to allow a sealed sender from anyone on Signal app. Now guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have, and download the Signal application. Now guys, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Signal. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Signal videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here on the first tab, we have the chats where you can get started. As you can see in the top right corner, you can click and start your first chat there. Find people that you want to chat to and start chatting to. Also, down here, as you can see, you can get started by creating a new group, adding photos, inviting friends, or making your appearance look how you want. Also, the second tab is calls, where all of your calls will be. And we have stories, where you can go and put stories on this application. Also, in the top left corner, we have your profile and everything about your profile and your settings. So we have your account, link devices, donate to Signal appearance, chats, stories, notification, privacy settings, data usage, payments, help, and you can also there go and invite your friends. Now guys, let's see how you can actually go and allow sealed sender from anyone on Signal app. Well, Signal Sender is currently in beta version on the Signal app, so beta users can enable the feature by going to settings, sealed sender, and then enable allow for everyone toggle to receive sealed sender messages from non-contacts and people with whom they haven't shared their profile or daily token. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining. If you did guys, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.